Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Replying to an email without the whole thread in Outlook makes your messages look much cleaner. It stops people from having to scroll through long chains of old text just to find your new response. To change this setting in the Outlook desktop app, start by clicking on the File tab in the top left corner. Select Options from the bottom of the menu list. A new window will pop up on your screen. Click on the Mail category on the left side menu. Scroll down until you see the section for replies and forwards. You will see a drop-down menu labeled When replying to a message. Click that menu and select Do Not Include Original Message. Click the OK button at the bottom to save your new settings. If you are using Outlook on the web, click the gear icon in the top right corner. Select View All Outlook Settings at the bottom. Go to Mail and then choose Compose and Reply. Look for the option to include the original message and uncheck that box. Save your changes before closing the window. Sometimes you might only want to do this for one specific email. In that case, you do not need to change your global settings. Simply click Reply as you normally would. Highlight all the old text in the body of the email. Hit the backspace or delete key on your keyboard. This removes the thread for just that one message. Using these simple steps ensures your professional communication stays brief and focused on the current topic without any unnecessary clutter from the past conversation.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.